Hi guys, today we're going to be testing DuroBumps premium bump stops up against a 3D printed option. Our competitor's product is available in 3 different sizes. It is claimed that by running their 3D printed bump stop, you can run oversized tires without a need of properly clearancing or trimming your wheel well. Truth is, this is a farce and simply can't be done, and our demonstration here will show that. We're going to go ahead and start with their tallest front bump stop option. It's 3 inches tall. As a reference, the OEM bump stop is 1.8 inches tall. So let's see if this bump stop does in fact decrease your wheel up travel compared to an OEM bump stop. Here we have the 3-inch tall version. We're going to put it into our coil spring compressor, commonly accepted in on-road and off-road racing as a coil spring compressor. We feel this is the most fair, unbiased example that we can use to showcase the side-by-side performance differences between DuroBumps and this 3D printed bump stop. So here we've got everything zeroed out. This is a travel indicator. If this travels 1.2 inches, that will show that we're the same height as the OEM bump stop. Up here is our compression gauge. This tells us how much force is being exerted onto the bump stop. And let's see how it holds up. Please notice that this is not producing progressive dampening. That's a very linear compression rate. Please notice that this bump stop is collapsing on itself, physically wrinkling and folding over. We got about 600 pounds on it. Here's the OEM bump stop, same height. So this bump stop that's advertised to reduce your front wheel up travel, in fact, does not meet its claimed specifications. If we run this bump stop up to 1,000 pounds of compression load, 965, we are now a ½ inch shorter height than the OEM bump stop, clearly damaging your suspension that you invested all of that money in. This is not an upgrade, but actually diminishing the performance and quality of your vehicle. Now let's see how DuroBumps DBF212 holds up in comparison. DuroBumps DBF212 is expected to compress 0.75 inches with 1,500 pounds load. Zero everything out. This is progressive dampening. Here we are at 1,500 pounds. Same height as the OEM bump stop.